talking all about being able to turn your website into a lead capture machine.
So social media is very important to my business, all the different platforms, and has been for a very long time, especially given that I specialize in online video.
Using social media marketing is important to my brand because it gets the word out there on multiple platforms, and it's free. It's free marketing.
Oh my gosh, I learned so much today. I learned that 30% of the people that go on your website will go on it again.
What I learned from this event that I didn't know prior was the double opt-ins and why data is so crucial to businesses.
Working with Flourish Media has absolutely changed my business and pretty much upped my game. I've made a lot more money since bringing them into my life.
Vivian Olodun from Flourish Media is so brilliant when it comes to social media and generating leads, and I give her 2 thumbs up and 10 stars and recommend her with my whole heart.
Engage with people and they want to buy from you like something else if you remember. So like